Radiation, pollution, and high energy consumption are the challenges that Didas Architects has on its drawing board to take a balanced decision to convince the builders into choosing the optimum solution that can contribute for a greener tomorrow. This method of lessening the enormous consumption of energy in construction has come to be known as green architecture or good architecture that leads into green ecosystem.
See, architecture by itself, if it is to be labeled as good architecture, has to be in harmony with the environment and the location and the materials and the lifestyles of the people. That is what we call good architecture. It should fit into like our traditional lifestyles and the traditional buildings where more in harmony with the environment, they built with the local materials, they built with the local talent, the kind of architecture or the thing was climate friendly, houses were warm in winter and cool in summer, naturally without any mechanical means of ventilation and all that.
I should not exploit the materials, I should not exploit the energies, I should not waste the natural resources like water, air.
A typical green building saves to the extent of about 30 to 50% on the energy side. That means a green building is 30 to 50% less energy consumer than a conventional building. The water savings varies from about 30 to 70%. In fact, some of the green buildings are designed with zero discharge. That means the water consumption is one of the lowest and not a single drop of water goes out of the building.
In my designing only, I should be able to evolve the optimum use of air conditioning areas. If it is feasible, I should go for a water-cooled system.
So the term green has come in how to make these modern structures more eco-friendly. If you compare the modern structures to the traditional structures, by definition they are not eco-friendly because they consume more energy. But in the context of an urban environment or a city, how we build in the city, you can call it more environment friendly or less environment friendly.
So under these conditions, it should be a responsibility for both the architects and structural engineers to respond to the nature. They don't have to respond to the green building specifically. The moment they respond to the nature, it means they have responded to the green buildings.
Alarming global warming, cracks in ozone, exposure to UV radiation, tsunami, earthquakes, volcanoes across the globe. Are they not indications good enough to alert us to save every bit of natural resource to delay global destruction?